Hello and welcome to the new video of Revitasium, and this video is going to be about duct supports and how we can make a very simple Dynamo program to adjust our duct supports. So this duct support, I got an order from one of my customer. So I created the duct support as well as the Dynamo program. So I'm just going to show you the features of this duct support. So here is my duct supports. Once you bring it into the project, you just have to place on face, and after you place on face, you just mention the duct. So I have here lots of ducts placed, and you can see that I have the tag of the duct showing the duct size as well as the bottom of the duct. So each duct has the different bottom. Alright, they may not match with the other ducts, so they are having a different levels, and right now all of these ducts have the supports which might not be the matching as per the duct size. So as you can see, this support is kind of a double support, but you see that the bottom one is not matching the height of the duct in any of the case, but that's not a problem because we're going to have a program that is going to fix it all in a minute. So I'm going to open that program. Alright, so here is my program, Rectangular Duct Support. So I'm just going to run it, and then this has been completed. I'll show you the complete simple program. This is a very small and simple program, and how it just, if you would just go here now, and you would notice that all of the ducts, they have been matched, right? So all of the supports, they are matching the duct size, and the bottom part is on the bottom of the duct and the upper part is on the upper level of the duct. So all of these supports. So let's quickly have a quick go through our Dynamo program. So first of all is that I'm making use of this family type by name. So that's the type name of my family. Alright, and then I just got all the instances. So I have 9 supports. I've got all the instances linked to this. The next is that I have to go to the get to the host, because this family is hosted. So it's face hosted, which is why when I introduced the duct, so for example I bring this one here, it might need another support. I'll just bring the face, and that's it. So once you have this, then you can see that again this support is also adjusted, right? So which is this one. So here is this one is just getting the host of the family. Alright, so now I have 10 supports, so it just gets the host. So after it gets the host, which is my duct, so I need to get the parameters of my duct, which is duct width and duct height. So I get those parameters and I feed into my family, which is back here. So all the instances, and I have the family parameter called duct width and the duct height, and all of these parameters which I obtained from my ducts, I give it to my basic family instances, and it will give. So if I go back here, alright, and if you see that this has duct width and duct height, and it's being adapted from this duct width and duct height. So the duct parameter names is width and height, and here the names are duct width and duct height that this support is carrying, is supporting the duct of this width and this height. Now some other features of this support is that I have here 4 types of profile. So 25 by 3, 25 by 6, 40 by 3, and 50. So I can choose any of them, even though I can make a very simple program which we can have the type of this profile as per the size of the duct. Alright, but so far I just kept it very simple so that each instance or each individual support you can adjust manually, and not just the profile, the type of profile, but also the rod size. So here if you see, I have two kinds of rod. I have 6 millimeters and 8 millimeters. So I can choose, and I can select the 8 millimeter rod as well. So likewise, in all of these I can choose any of the duct, any of the profile, and I can choose my rod size. So it's a simple family. It's a simple family, and you can do any of the there is another 25 by 25 by 6, so it just changes the thickness while keeping the side of the profile as 25. If I go 40 by 40 by 3, and I can even go 50 by 50 by 6. Right, okay, and I can select my rod size as well, from instead of 6 to 8. So that's it. It's a simple program and a simple family, and I hope you find it useful. Thanks. Have a nice time.